Hey everyone, welcome back to elielsmile. Today, we're building a robot that can follow you anywhere using sensors and Arduino. This project is perfect for beginners who love technology and robotics. Let's make science move with us, literally.
To build this smart robot, you'll need one Arduino Uno, 2 ultrasonic sensors, 2 DC motors with a motor driver, a small chassis, a battery pack, and a little creativity. Everything you see here costs under $40. Science
Now
on a
let's
budget.
wire it up. Connect the ultrasonic sensors to pins 2, 3, 4, and 5. The motors go to the motor driver on pins 9 and 10. Double, check your ground and power connections. Robotics is all about precision.
Here's the brain of the project, the code. The sensors measure distance, and if you move closer, the robot moves back. If you walk away, it follows you. This is a simple if-else logic controlling both motors. Upload the code to your Arduino and watch
Now
your
it's time to test. If your robot doesn't move, check motor polarity or sensor wiring. You'll see it come to life, slowly following your hand or your body. That's robotics. Have science, have patience.
Now watch this. My robot is literally following me. This is what happens when engineering meets imagination. The sensors detect distance, and the Arduino does the thinking.
Let's give our robot a personality. Add LED eyes, a small speaker, or even a voice chip. Make it smile, beep, or say your name. Now it's not just a robot, it's a smart friend.
You did it! You just built your own smart robot that follows you. Like, share, and subscribe to elielsmile for more amazing robotics tutorials. Next time, we'll add AI vision so it can recognize faces.